Hi, this is my new washing machine, the Siemens WM14Y890GB. This is an 8kg washing machine with a maximum spin speed of 1400 RPM. This is a very contemporary looking washing machine, which is lovely in my kitchen and would probably be lovely in anybody's kitchen. This is a beautiful machine and I really like it. What I really like is this fantastic big door on the front and all the silver trimmings. So let's switch the machine on. This is done by pressing this button in the centre of this control dial, and when we do that, the machine comes to life with these beautiful LED blue lights on the controls and on the drawer. Now we come to the drawer. This drawer is what you call the iDose system, and what this means is the machine doses the liquid detergent and the fabric softener automatically for every wash, for optimum wash. So if we have a look in this drawer, the light goes out obviously, and we can see there's two enclosed compartments. We open these up. This one is for liquid detergent. This one is for the fabric softener. These hold enough liquid detergent and fabric softener to do for 20 washes, which is great because it means you just put enough in, fill these up to the maximum lines in each compartment, and the machine will dose the detergent and softener automatically. And this compartment here is for manual dosing of powder if you prefer powder. Okay, so we'll close this drawer, and as you can see, these two little lights come on. This one's for the detergent and this one's for the softener, to let you know the iDose system is in working order. Here we have the control panel, which is just a plain simple dial which you turn for each of your programs, and a little light tells you exactly what program you're on, so you can't be mistaken. It's so easy to use. You just flick through all your programs. You have your cottons, easy care, mixed fabrics, delicate, wool and so on, and also two automatic programs, one for a heavy load and one for a small load, and a rapid 15 wash, which is great if you need items freshened up or you're in a hurry, something you just wore that day. Onto the display, we have this huge big display which tells you everything you need to know about your program. So for the 15-minute wash example, it'll tell you your temperature, your spin speed, and how long the program will take to finish. And also this here explains the iDose, whether it's on or off, as it can be programmed on or off, which I forgot to mention. The temperature can be changed to suit yourself, up or down, and the spin speed, obviously certain programs, this only goes up to 1200 in this program, but it is a maximum spin speed of 1400 RPM, but with certain programs obviously. If I put it on to the cotton for instance, it's on cotton, and you can change your programs up and down So that's a 40 and 1400 spin, or you can have it lower. And it's 2 hours 31, but this does change when the washing's on. You have your also these other buttons along the bottom. This is for Eco Perfect, which is good for the environment, Speed Perfect for quickness, and the 2 IDOs for the IDOs compartment to put them on or off to suit yourself. This is a great energy efficient machine, and it's great on the fuel bills and water, and it has also options for other programs for pre-wash, and it's stain, different types of stains, baby food and stuff like that. Really great machine. And it also has, it's very, very quiet as well. So let's check this out. I've just put this off because we don't want, hang on, put it onto the stains. Yeah, I don't want the stain program. So as you can see, you can put it off and just go to on, and that puts it back to the start. Okay, so we can open the door, and as you can see, this is an 8 kilogram drum. So we're going to set the wash for an mixed fabrics wash, and that is a 40 wash with a 1400 spin, and it will take 53 minutes. So we're just going to throw in the wash, which is also great because this tells you here the machine weighs the washing and lets you know as you're loading it, so that you don't overload the machine. So we'll pop in this washing, and this wash is telling me 3.5 kilograms, so right away it's full with 2 of these in. So that's letting me know that that is enough for that wash, and as you can see the bar's flashing, so I can't overload this. So that will have to do. I might need to change this program then, because I want to put 3 of these in. I'll put it to cartons. Change the temperature down to 40. There we go, and pop the other one in. That's fine. Okay. Now that's telling me that's fine because that's an 8 kilogram load and there's still plenty of room, so that's okay. And the IDOs is on, so we just shut the door. And to do that, you just give it a quick push, and as you can see the drum lights up lovely as well, which is a great feature in this machine. I love it. Okay, let's start it up. Everything is very touch sensitive. Here we go, you just touch this and away the machine goes. And the display tells you the progress of the washing, which is fabulous. And there's also a child lock feature. Once you've set all your things and you've set all your settings and you don't want anyone changing them, if you hold in where it says finishing, just hold that in. and as you can see it says child lock has been activated. And same again, you see the little key symbol, same again, to put it off, just hold it in for a few seconds and the child lock has been deactivated. So this is a great machine, fabulous, does everything for you. You don't need to just put your wash in and set the programs and on you go. And when these compartments need powder, this will flash to let you know, not powder, sorry, detergent, liquid detergent or softener. If any of them go empty, it will let you know by flashing, so that way you can refill it. But it lasts for 20 washes, so that's quite a good while. And the machine's very quiet, and even on a spin, final spin, it's very quiet as well, which is great. So this is an energy efficient machine, and it has been rated an A+++, which is an A triple plus, and it's great for the environment and fuel bills and water bills and so on. So that's it. That is the Siemens WM14Y890GB. Okay folks, thank you for watching.